All right. Hello. We are Nick, Mason, Omar, and Tori, and we're talking about the endocrine system.
The endocrine system produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, and other functions. They are secreted into blood without using ducts, and they are made up of glands. The major organs and their locations: the pituitary gland is in the brain, the gonads, which are testes in men and ovaries in women, the pancreas in the abdomen, the thyroid in the throat, the hypothalamus in the brain, the pineal gland in the brain, the adrenal gland in the kidneys, and the thymus in the sternum. The functions of each organ: the pituitary gland produces hormones that signal other glands to make their own. The gonads produce androgens in males and eggs in females. The pancreas regulates blood sugar. The thyroid stimulates metabolism and maintains blood pressure. The hypothalamus monitors what's happening in the body. The pineal gland produces melatonin. The adrenal glands send out signals to correct unbalanced homeostasis. And the thymus produces thymus derived cells, or T cells.
Okay, so the endocrine system releases chemicals called hormones, which flow through the bloodstream and send messages to organs and tissues. The hormones then go on to help regulate mood, growth, development, metabolism, and reproduction. Uh, Similar body systems to the endocrine system would be the nervous system because they both use signals towards the body. They both utilize axons and synapses. They both control and regulate the body, and they both flow through the bloodstream.
All right. So the second body system that's related to the endocrine would be the cardiovascular system, and I chose this one because the hormonal glands are directly linked with the blood, which means that the hormones that are secreted are based off of the contents of the blood that are circulating through the body at that moment. So, therefore, the glands of the endocrine system use blood vessels as a transportation pathway to the different parts of the body. That also means that both of these systems circulate materials through the body at the same rate via the same method. It's also important to note that the aspects of both of these systems constantly fluctuate due to homeostasis in order to maintain a good, healthy quality of living in an individual. Now, these systems aren't exactly stable and static in the way that the skeletal or muscular system are. So, how do all three of these work together? Well, it's easy to see how the endocrine system and the cardiovascular system work together. The cardiovascular system transports hormones throughout the body that are administered by the endocrine system. But it's not just as simple as to say that all three of these systems work together at the same time to maintain homeostasis. More specifically, the hormones that course through our body via the cardiovascular system provide feedback to our nervous system on how that hormone affects us. Also, the hypothalamus in the brain works for both systems, which is another cause for some overlap.
Common diseases of the endocrine. Diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition associated with excessive levels of glucose in the blood. Since insulin produced in the pancreas eliminates glucose in the blood, the absence of insulin causes diabetes. Some treatments consist of taking prescribed medications, doing consistent screenings, and regulating body levels. Next. Common disease number 2, osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease caused by declining bone mass, in which totally characterizes the bone as more porous and fragile. There are several deficiencies that can lead to osteoporosis, with the primary contributor being calcium. Some treatments include actively dieting, taking medications in which fortifies bone mass, and exercising the desired area. Please. Now we have thyroid diseases, which are defined by an abnormally functioning thyroid. The thyroid is responsible for hormone production with an improperly functioning thyroid. We are at great risk of overproduction and underproduction of multiple hormones, causing varying results based upon the targeted hormone. Some results include Hashimoto's disease, Graves' disease, and hyperthyroidism. On the top, we have the components of the thyroid, and on the bottom, we have a visualizer of where the thyroid is placed on the human body. Depending on the disease, patients are prescribed medications that fit the personal situation.
Sorry. So an interesting fact about osteoporosis is that the fractures sites are usually found in the wrist, shoulder, hip, and spine. Next one.